Hello everyone! In this video, I will be giving you my honest review of Bioderma Atoderm Lip Stick. Lip balm in stick form. After several years of using it. This video is not sponsored and this product is not gifted to me. First, let's start with what is seen before opening. When I bought this product, it was in a store without any protective packaging. And we cannot be sure that no one had already opened it before. It looked unopened. But still, I don't like that it doesn't have protection, especially that it goes on the lips. That's the negative side of the packaging. The positive side is that it has a click mechanism. So the lid cannot fall off if we turn it upside down or transport it in a bag with other stuff. Lip balm is neutral, transparent, and very light on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky or has chunks. Also, it's not too glossy. With everyday use, my lips became moisturized and softer. I like that it's in a stick form, because when I apply it, I don't have to touch my lips during the day when I'm out or at work without freshly washed hands. I also like this kind of packaging more than lip balms that come out by squeezing. Because if you accidentally press a little harder on such a packaging, too much comes out or spills on your clothes. Also, when it's almost all used up, it's harder to squeeze everything out from that kind of packaging than that's in a stick form. The stick is not too hard, so you are not poking your lips when applying it. And it's not too soft either, so you don't feel that your lips are too greasy or heavy after applying the product. The angle at the top of the stick is adapted for easy application on the lips. The whole packaging is a little unstable. It falls over easily. As soon as there is a small shake of the table or it gets caught with a hand or something else, it immediately falls over. And then when it falls over, it rolls endlessly. I had it fall under the bed, couch, dresser, etc. several times. Also, it has a very light berry scent. For me, the scent is very pleasant and not overwhelming. Bioderma Atoderm Lip Stick is light and thin when you put it on, but stays on for hours. Like many of you, I have purchased so many different brands and types of products, but I stuck with this one. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more videos like this and honest reviews from my side. Bye!